Radhe Krishna friends, today we will learn one of the important pointer of homeopathy, that is Dr. Schuessler's biography. Dr. Schuessler was most famous homeopathic practitioner and today we are going to learn his biography. So first point is the German physician William Heinrich Schuessler MD was born on August 21st, 1821 in Schwerin, Oldenburg. Death was on 30th March 1898 due to apoplectic stroke. Dr. Schuessler studied in Paris, Berlin, Giessen, and Prague and did his doctorate in Giessen in medicine. So, in first point, there is one most important MCQ, the full name of Dr. Schuessler. Okay, the birth date and death date are also asked sometime. He was practicing homeopathy for 15 years in Oldenburg. The discoveries of Dr. Virchow, Dr. Wood, the full name is Dr. Rudolf Virchow, who discovered the cell of human body, inspired Dr. Schuessler in such a way that he began to do research on cell knowledge for the cause of illness and focus on how to treat this illness. And the second influenced by Professor Molschott, who said structure and vitality of organ depend upon presence of inorganic salt. So the discovery of this 12 Schuessler's remedy which we are studying is because of the discovery of Dr. Rudolf Virchow and Professor Molschott, who inspired Dr. Schuessler to study about the cell structure and the cause of illness due to disbalance in the cell salts. Okay, so by Schuessler's research he became particularly interested as a capable homeopath in most important inorganic salts of which human body is composed of. Dr. Schuessler want to find most common mineral salt prevailing human body. Okay, in order to explore this, Dr. Schuessler started analysis the ashes of dead bodies from the cemetery. So to study this, that what are the important inorganic salt which compose human body and which are the cause for illness. Okay, he started analyzing the ashes of the dead body from the cemetery. Dr. Schuessler discovered that certain minerals salt predominant in certain tissues. Example, potassium phosphate and magnesium phosphate are present in muscles. Okay, from this discovery, from this ashes discovery, from the test of the inorganic salt from the ashes of the dead body, he discovered that the potassium phosphate and magnesium phosphate are present in muscle maximum. Okay, and potassium chloride is maximum present in bone tissue. So next Dr. Schuessler then theorized that these mineral salts were vital for the normal functioning of health of the body tissue. Okay, further he concluded that deficiencies of any of this tissue salt would lead to disease, that is dysfunction and illness. Okay, so he concluded from this study that there are inorganic salt which are important for the human body to function. So if there is deficiency of these salts, inorganic salts in the body, then this individual will suffer from disease or illness, you can say. Consequently, treatment of this mineral imbalance in the body by ingestion of tissue salt must be a vital factor in healing process. So by prescribing this inorganic salts in a homeopathic dose, the disease can be bring back to health. By Dr. Schuessler, he discovered all this by this study. So Dr. Schuessler stated that mineral salt had to reach disease cell directly. So what was his statement? That this mineral salt should reach directly to the diseased cell. For that reason he chose to have these remedies produce same way as homeopathic remedies. Okay, where repeated dilution distributes the particle to such an extent that they are able to penetrate each individual cell. So Dr. Schuessler discovered that this mineral salt, if they are deficient, will cause disease, and if they are supplied to that diseased individual in a homeopathic dose, then individual can be brought back to health. So for this, Dr. Schuessler chose homeopathic way to prepare this mineral salt so that each and every particle of that disease of that medicine, inorganic salt, which are diluted in such an extent that it will reach each and every individual cell, and it can penetrate through the cell of the human body, so that diseased cell can be brought back to the health again. So Dr. Schuessler clinically tested these theories on his own patient with excellent results. One of his first attempt was of magnesium phosphate in patients suffering from muscle cramp. So this can be asked as MCQ. Okay. So Dr. Schuessler first attempt of for testing his medicine of inorganic salt was of magnesium phosphate in the patient suffering from muscle cramp. So this can be MCQ. Dr. Schuessler limited the number of his mineral salt to 12. So Dr. Schuessler said that there are 12 tissue remedies which are important. In 1874, Dr. Schuessler published his work, An Abbreviative Therapy, presenting a concise system of treatment based on the scientific criteria. So this can also be asked as MCQ. Okay. Later, he called this healing system of biochemic or biochemistry. The Greek word bios means life, and chemistry is a branch in nature of science that deals with the quality, composition, and the alteration of substance and their combinations. Okay. In 1898, Dr. Schuessler died at the age of 77 due to an apoplectic stroke. So these three can be asked as MCQ. Keep in mind this publishing, this biochemistry, why the discovery is called as biochemic or biochemistry, and biochemic salts, and third is the death of Dr. Schuessler was at the age of 77 and due to an apoplectic stroke. Like still today, treatment with Schuessler's tissue salt is very successful. Schuessler tissue salt are available as tablet in potencies of 3x, 6x, 12x, 30x and 200x. Okay. Dr. Schuessler's doctrine. This is very important. This can be asked as 5 marks question, viva question, and can also be asked in MCQs. Okay. So Dr. Schuessler's doctrine is restoration of the cell and thereby of the body will result from restoration of deficient of the inorganic salt. So this is Dr. Schuessler's 12 tissue remedy, or you can say 12 tissue salt. So these are Calcarea fluor, Calcarea phos, Calcarea sulfurica, Ferrum phosphorica, Kalium muriaticum, Kali phosphorica, Kali sulfuricum, Magnesium phosphorica, Natrum muriaticum, Natrum phosphorica, Natrum sulfuricum, and last is Silicia. So these are 12 tissue remedies given by Dr. Schuessler. So this was all. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.